Hello, friends. So, today we are going to see a brief review of finding the equation of tangent and normal by using the calculus. Okay. So, finding equation of tangent and normal by calculus. So, let's say our question says that we have to find equation of tangent to this curve y is equal to fx at point x naught y naught. Okay, so this is our question. And how to do it? See, equation of tangent can be written as y minus y naught equals slope. M means slope. Slope multiplied by x minus x naught. So this is equation of tangent. How to get this y? How to get this slope? So this slope can be obtained by doing the differentiation of the given function and plug in the values of x naught, y naught. So once you get it, put it here and get the equation. Okay, this is equation of tangent. For example, let's say question says that find the equation of tangent at find the equation of tangent to the equation y is equal to x squared at point 1, 1. This is the question. So that means we know that we will write y minus 1 equals m x minus 1. But what is m? So m is the slope, that is the gradient. So for this, we have to differentiate this y and plug the value of x is equal to 1 there. So if we differentiate it, we will get 2x. And now plugging the value of x is equal to 1 there, we will get 2. So our equation of tangent will become y minus 1 is equal to 2x minus 1. Simplifying it, we will get y minus 2x is equal to 3. This is the equation of tangent. Okay. Now, let us take one more example. So, let's say question says that find the equation of tangent to the curve y is equal to 2x4 plus 4x cube plus 2x plus 10 at point, let's say 0, 0. Maybe possible that you have to find the equation of tangent at 0, 0. So we will write equation of tangent will be y minus 0 is equal to slope x minus 0, right? So that means y is equal to mx. But how to get this m? Again, m is the slope which is given by differentiation of y with respect to x and then plug in the value of x is equal to 0 there. So if you do it, we will get at 8x cube plus 12x squared plus 2. Now you plug in the value of x is equal to 0 here. You will get 2. So our answer is equation of tangent is y is equal to 2x. Okay. Now what if you want to find out the equation of normal? So the method is same. The only thing is slope will be little bit different. So to find the equation of normal, to any curve y is equal to fx at a given point x naught y naught. What to do? Here we will write y minus y naught is equal to minus 1 by m x minus x naught. Okay. So how to find this m? Again the same thing. Differentiate y with respect to x and plug in the value of x naught, y naught. So in this way you will get the value, you will get the value of m. That m you have to substitute here. Okay. Let us see one example quickly. So let's say question says that find the equation of normal to 4x squared at point 1, 1. So how to do? We know that equation of normal will be y minus 1 equals negative 1 by m x minus 1. So how to find m? So m equals dy by dx, substituting value of x naught and y naught there. So if you differentiate it, you will get 8x. Plug in the value of x is equal to 1, you will get 8. So our answer is, this one will become y minus 1 equals minus 1 over 8 x minus 1. This is the equation of normal. Okay, pretty much very simple. So it means that if we have been given one curve y is equal to fx, and let's say we have to find equation of tangent or normal at point x naught y naught, what to do? We will write y minus y naught equals mx minus x naught. This is the equation for tangent, and y minus y naught equals negative 1 by m. So negative 1 by m x minus x naught. This is equation of normal. Okay, and how to find m? M is differentiation of y with respect to x, and plug in the value of x naught y naught. This x naught y naught is that value where you have to find the tangent. Okay, means if this is the curve y is equal to fx, then if you want to find the tangent here, then this x naught y naught means this particular point. And from here itself you have to find out the normal. If you look into this, we know that slope of tangent and slope of normal, they are negative reciprocal of each other. That's why we need not put much effort. You just find out the slope and then plug in the values here in the equation of tangent or equation of normal as required. Okay. Hope you have understood how to find the equation of tangent and normal by using calculus. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.